Latest nanoscience and technology research shaping the future, right now. Researchers are building tiny materials that improve medicine delivery, helping treatments target diseased cells more precisely. New nanoscale sensors can detect chemicals and infections faster, supporting cleaner environments and earlier health warnings. Advanced nanomaterials are making batteries lighter and stronger, helping devices charge efficiently and last much longer. Scientists are testing smart surfaces engineered at the nanoscale to resist bacteria, water, heat, and everyday wear. Follow for more science updates, shaping tomorrow through tiny breakthroughs.